Now, once you feel like you have built something that you're proud of and you want to get this out into the world and start running it, you just get to go into the upper right corner and click on publish. Now, when you do that, you're going to see some warnings from Supabase, and these are really helpful as well. So if we click on them, it'll take us over to Supabase and tell us some of the things that it thinks we should fix before we go live with it. So we have leaked password protection disabled. We have this thing as well. And then we have function search path mutable, and it'll describe what that is. So it detects functions where the search path parameter is not set. We can go back and fix all of these if we would like. I would recommend doing that and reviewing that security before you publish it so that nothing bad happens. But let's say that you are ready to go. You can either click publish or you can click on custom domains. And if you already have a domain, you can connect it right here. And so, this could be any domain that you can think of. If you bought it on some other website, you can connect it right here. You can also purchase a domain. Lovable will connect you with a domain broker, so you can do that, or you can publish it without having any of those special domains. So I'm going to click on publish here. All right, and just like that, we have our software live and running. Let me take it over to a different tab and let's test it out and see how it looks. So here's the page. It's looking nice, and I can just sign in and I can create that account, and we can see this upgrade button that we just created, remember, and we can upgrade now. We can pay for it. We can go over to upload document. Let me add something here. So here is our document that we just uploaded. Let's click on view, make sure it works. And there we go. This is the document that we have uploaded, and maybe we want a signature somewhere on here.